In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up form submission notifications in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your marketing tab, and from in there, locate the lead option right here. Alternatively, you can also head over to your search bar and search for form and click on forms right here. So this will serve as our lead capture for our marketing type. Onto this case, head over and create a form first. You can choose from various templates. So on this case, let me use this contact us template. Click on this use template option right here into this case in order to open it. Now into this case, just head over to the form options. You can also find it right here under the settings. And in here, you can see your general tabs, and in here you can see your submission settings. So you can see right here the domains, inbox connection, and you can see right here send email notifications. Let's head over and send this to the contact owner, or you can also send it to user and then just type right here the email. With this, whenever someone answers this form, this person will be notified. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.